I have now worked with Kathleen Lawson 2 times at her quarterly planning sessions, and it has been a real game changer for my business. I really like the part where we look back and kind of reflect on the last quarter because it helps me see what I could be doing better while also looking at like, what am I doing well? And then when it comes to focusing on the future, planning for goals that I want to achieve is really, really helpful. And especially the way that she lets you go into depth with them and put things on your calendar ahead of time so that you know it's coming, because I am someone who like, I'll have an idea or I'll have something that needs to be done and then sometimes I forget about it. And then it comes up and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get that done. But the way that Kathleen breaks everything down, it makes it much less overwhelming and easier to tackle. And it also just like prepares you for the future. So I would highly recommend working with Kathleen, specifically on her quarterly planning sessions. It's been amazing.